Hey, what's going on, guys? Do you have a Honda that has a leaking hose that runs under the distributor right back there? Right there, that goes to the back of the head underneath the distributor? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your distributor so you can replace that hose. First thing you need to do to make it easy on yourself, it's just easier. I'll show you some tricks and I'll show you step by step on how to do it. Remove this 8mm bolt for your bracket for your plug wires. Remove the three 12mm bolts that hold on your distributor. There's one right here in the front, one right here, and one right down there in the back. Then unplug these three plugs right there. This one, well, this one, this one, and this one. That go to your distributor. And mark your distributor right there on top so you know where your timing's at. Then I'll show you how to mark it on the inside when you take it apart so it'll realign with your cam so it's not out of timing. Alright, let's get those removed and I'll be right back with you. Alright guys, we're back. Once you pull that distributor, very gently set it off to the side without turning your distributor gear. Spray it with a little carb clean and brake clean. Spray all that oil off. I'm going to show you why here in a second. Alright, spray all that oil off there. Set this out the way here. Alright, once that dries real good, now you take your paint marker pen. Alright, and simply put you a dot on the distributor and a dot on the cam gear. This way, if you pull it out at some other time and it rotates, you know where it's got to go. You know, so you pull it out and you, oh crap, it turned. I don't know where it goes. Does it go that way? Nope. There's your paint mark right there. And there you go. So you can get it back in time without, because these Honda motors are interference motor and you'll bust the valves. You go to crank it back up. And now that you've done that, now you can simply, if you want to, unhook the wires and pull the whole thing up out the way. But now you can get to that hose that's right there that's leaking. Undo the clamp. Undo the clamp right there on the back side, which is right there. Slide that puppy off. Slide your new one on. And it always leaks right here at the bend, right here at the 45. Right there is where it leaks. They always pop a pinhole in them, I guess because of pressure buildup, because going around that bend, it's too sharp of a bend on the pressure on the hose. You know, it's not thick enough. It's not like it's a radiator hose like this where it's real thick. But anyways, alright, there you go guys. That's all you got to do to replace your coolant line that go to your cylinder head. It runs to your heater control valve. Is where it runs to. Anyways, but that's how you do it, guys. Real simple to pull your distributor, and some tips and tricks to pull your distributor so you don't have to worry about resetting your timing and all that crap and blowing up your motor, because it is an interference motor. This is a Honda VTEC. But alright, well, if y'all if y'all thought this video was useful or helped you out in any way, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel already, please do so. Y'all have a great day.